Okay. Okay. So this is the microstructure of cast irons, and from that, the first diagram is for gray cast iron, and second diagram is for white cast iron. Now, in the gray cast iron, as we have earlierly discussed, that it consists of the free carbon in the form of graphite, whichever dark flex-like structure. This flex-like structure, these are the graphites. Okay, random orientation is there. Random orientation means different sizes flex are present, and remaining amount will be ferrite and some amount of pearlite will be there. Okay, whichever bright spots will be there, bright spots, that will be ferrite, and this flex like dark spot will be graphite, and remaining dark portion will be pearlite. Okay, remaining dark portion will be pearlite. Large amount of graphite will be there. Okay, large amount of graphite will be there. So this is the microstructure for gray cast iron. Then this is the microstructure for white cast iron. Now here, white, in the white cast iron, two phases will be there, dark phase and bright phase. Whichever bright phase is present, that bright phase will be of cementite, and whichever dark phase is there, that dark phase will be of pearlite. And due to this cementite only, it will be termed as white cast iron. Okay, bright phase and dark phase, you will get the better understanding when we will see the microstructures in practical work. From that you will get the clear idea. That's now just try to understand whichever phases are there in gray cast iron. Flex, graphite will be present in the form of flex, or graphite flex will be there, and remaining portion, whichever bright phase is there, that will be ferrite, and dark phase will be pearlite. Here only two phases are there, dark phase will be pearlite, and whichever white or bright phase is there, that is cementite. This is the white cast iron. Now the combination of these two, graphite and cementite, that will be your, you can say that, mottled cast iron. This is the gray colored graphite, that is, you can say that, gray cast iron, and remaining white or cementite will be there, that will be termed as white cast iron. This white cast iron is nothing but cementite phase, and gray cast iron is nothing but carbon in the form of graphite phase. This is the mottled cast iron. Then the last microstructure is nodular cast iron or ductile cast iron. This is the ductile cast iron. This center or spherical nodule shaped graphite is present in the form of nodules. The center dark round will be termed as the graphite. Carbon is present in the form of graphite, and it is in the nodular or spherical shape. This is the graphite. Then this, its surrounding region will be having little bit bright color, and that will be termed as ferrite. This bright color around this dark circle, some bright color will be there, that will be a ferrite phase, and remaining dark phases which are surrounding these nodules, it will be a pearlite. It will be a pearlite. Main phase is this node. Graphite is present in the nodular form or spherical form. That's why it is termed as nodular cast iron, or it is also known as SGCI, that is spheroidal graphite cast iron. Spheroidal, that is spherical graphite. Okay, this is the microstructure of this nodular cast iron. So in this way we have discussed the microstructure of these four types of the cast irons. Now after this, we will discuss the microstructure